This is the island buckwheat, Eriogonum grande, subspecies grande. This particular specimen is just getting ready to bloom here in June, and it'll come out with little pom-poms, little whitish, pinkish pom-poms on each one of these stems. The interesting thing about this plant is the further west you go on Santa Cruz Island, you'll notice that these flowering stalks get shorter and the pom-poms get closer together and they get redder. Hop over to Santa Rosa or go to San Miguel and those flowers become blood red, and it's treated as a different subspecies of rubescens. So this is the way island buckwheat looks on all the other Channel Islands, east and south of here, because it is fairly widespread on the Channel Islands and down into the Mexican islands, actually. But what's different about it is when you get out to western Santa Cruz Island, Santa Rosa, and San Miguel, you end up with a red variety of it that is really striking and gorgeous, and doesn't have these tall stalks. They're much shorter, so you see this mound of red that's really quite striking. I'll show you the leaves of island buckwheat. Very dramatic undersides covered in hairs. So one of the ways to distinguish this plant is look at the underside of the leaves, and they're that amazing powdery white color. And of course this is very different from the leaves of the island Santa Cruz Island buckwheat.